AI is not just a buzzword, it's reshaping our world. From automating mundane tasks to revolutionizing industries, AI is the silent force driving change. Are you ready to explore its profound impact? This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. In healthcare, AI enhances diagnostics and personalizes treatment. In entertainment, it curates content tailored just for you. Discover how AI is seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by providing faster, more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. Imagine a world where AI-powered chatbots offer virtual consultations, reducing wait times and improving accessibility. In business, AI automates workflows and optimizes marketing strategies. From enhancing customer support with chatbots to providing deep insights into consumer behavior, AI is a game changer. AI-powered tools are boosting personal productivity like never before. Smart assistants and automated reminders streamline daily tasks, making AI an indispensable part of both personal and professional settings. From managing schedules to enhancing creativity, AI-driven innovations are becoming essential. Embrace these tools to enhance efficiency and stay ahead in this fast-paced world. AI continues to evolve, promising even more advancements. Businesses and individuals must embrace AI to stay competitive. By leveraging AI today, you can be part of the digital revolution. Start integrating AI into your life and work. By doing so, you'll unlock new opportunities and stay ahead in this ever-evolving landscape. Let's embrace the future together.